everyone, welcome back to Maxi channel. Today this is the smallest Nerf gun in the world, so we're gonna test it out. So first we're gonna have to unbox it. This is too hard. Like and subscribe in the next 3 seconds so it will make it easier to break down. 3, 2, 1. Thanks for like and subscribing. Okay. Oh, I think I found it. It's on the bottom. Can someone help? Someone help me? Hang on. Sorry for that. We had unboxed the Nerf gun. So I'm finding the bullets. This one, but this is the second one. Okay, we're just gonna put this Nerf box right here. Let's test this out. Let's just go here. Maybe just. Oh, it goes here, right? Okay. Okay, now how do I have to pull? I have to pull it. Now let's test it out. Oh my god. I think that hurt, Daddy. Hang on. Okay, we're back. So let's test it out let's test this out on my back. Yeah, wait, I think I know what this is, an aim. So we're just gonna put this bullet right here. Okay. So let's test it. Oh yeah, I forgot to pull. So close. Hang on, I'll get it. Okay, we're back. So let's test it out on the roof. Let's test this out on the wall. So follow me to a wall. Okay, so we have found the wall in my house. So let's test it out. Wait, first we have to back up. Safety first. Launching. 3, 2, 1. Launch. Oh yeah, I forgot to do this. 3, 2, 1. Launch. Ouch. That didn't hurt a lot. Let's see what it looks like from a phone. Let's see what it looks like from a guy, from a regular human. Let's see what it looks like from a human. Wow, very, 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 very soft. Wow, very, very bad. Okay, so we're back. And 3, oh yeah. Okay, 3, 2, 1, launch. Wow, that was better than human. So the test is Nerf gun is better. So, have any ideas? That's a great idea. We should test it on Mommy.
What Daddy told you?
Oh, good idea. We should test it on the phone. Maybe we should test it on. Oh, we have to stand back. We have to stand back a little bit. Okay, this one we have. Launching in 3, 2, 1. Launch. Wow. Wait, can it shoot upstairs? Nah, that's possible. So launching in 3, 2, 1. Launch. Wow, it launched back. So let's test it out again. That didn't work very well. It just launched back. So there we go. 3, 2, 1, launch. Why does it keep coming back? It would kind of look cool if this can hold 2 bullets. 2, 1, launch. rest for today. I hope you like my video. See you. Bye bye. Goodbye everyone. See you.